Look what the cat dragged in.
The chair is of a great quality, it's very stylish and the materials used are really soft stuff. I like the Titan branding, I like how they stitched the brand into the chair. The logo is pretty awesome and I enjoy this chair very much. You get this pillow with it, which has a cooling pad in it. The front side of the chair is very thick, but the back end is very thin. You can actually feel the board through it if you're a bit heavy like me. Well, I'm not that heavy actually. I should be way within the range that they advertise a chair for. That's not really comfortable at all. This is my only complaint that I found on this chair so far. The adjustability is great from the armrests. So is this chair worth its money? I think it is, but the only complaint that I have is this issue with the thin board side on the back end where you're sitting on. If they would fix this in a future design, then it would be great. It took a while for me to get used to. Reading comments on the internet shows that this is the only complaint or bad side about this chair, depending on how much you weigh. But for a chair that's this expensive, I would have wished for a better padding when it comes to the sitting part. So I hope you guys like this little assembly video and unboxing and also a review, because I've been using this chair for the past 2 months. And I see you guys in the next video. Ciao.
Perfect.